Oh, Jim. Hey, how are you, Jim? Jim, you'd probably be interested by this right now. So today, guys, I'm going to show you this new robot from Robotics Design. Right now, as it's standing, I'm putting one of its extension right now. Probably my favorite accessory that we can put on this robot. So this is a PROCOAT shooter. So basically, we connect here from the robot, which is the AR-100 from Robotics Design in Montreal. Connect the air through with obviously your liquids to shoot the coat in the ducts. I'll just show you how it works. So as you can see here, it spins. So this I have it set on automatic. So you can use a robot, go through the ducts and shoot a new membrane in the ducts, as you can see. Sorry, gotta go. No problem, Jim. Thanks for being here. So this is the robot itself working right now, shooting the ducts. What I love about this this attachment is I can go manual also. So I'm just gonna show you. As you can see, I'm controlling it right now. So let's say I want to shoot one specific part of the duct. I'm gonna use the arm here to basically control wherever I want it to be shoot on. And yet again, like I showed you, there's the automatic also. And it could shoot clockwise and counterclockwise as well. What's great about this robot is that it's one of the only robots on the market that has a motored arm. I'm just going to show this to you. Give me one sec. So as you can see, I can move the arm. Right now it has a lot of weight with that extension. That's why you're seeing the robot moving. So as you can see, it moves really well. One of the only robots on the market with an articulated arm. So that's really great. So as you can see here, this is your control panel. You have two cameras on this robot. So I'm just going to switch it to the other camera. So you have one camera that's on top right here. It is a 360 camera, so let me just show this to you. Look at that, amazing. So it has a crown of LED lights, small LED lights on the camera itself, and two big ones also with the built-in LED light also on the robot. So you have two cameras, so you have a 360 really, so you can see anywhere in the duct, which is really great. This robot moves extremely well. It has no problem going up to 175 feet in a duct. So I did a video a couple of weeks back to show you the Ari-50, which is the mid-range robot. This again is the Ari-100. This is the high-end out of Robotics Design. It's built in Montreal and it's assembled. It's created in Montreal and it's assembled in Montreal as well. It comes with different attachment. As you can see here, you have this arm here. It could go up to 2 meters. I'm leaving on right now the PROCOAT because this is really what I think the best attachment that this robot brings. I've missed out on jobs actually where I wanted to clean the ducts, but the contractor wanted as well for us to shoot a new coat in the system, and sometimes they ask anti-corrosion solutions for the ducts. So this is really one of the best attachment out there on the market for this robot also, to really go and shoot anything you want in the ducts, right? So I just want to show you how it moves. It moves really great. I'm at half speed right now. Reason is because I have this arm here. Let's say I would be shooting in the duct. You do not want to go too quick, and it's heavy, right? So the robot itself is already heavy, but with the arm forward like this, a big difference. So as you can see, it moves really well. You can see the lights here, so it's great lighting. Unfortunately, with COVID and everything, I'm not able to do this video with inside a duct, but I still wanted to show you guys. And guys, feel free to ask questions either in this live, or you can always send me a message if you have more specific questions. This robot retails at 30,000 USD. I know some of you guys are gonna jump out your seat when you hear this, but if you want to compare for all the robots that are out there, it's right up there in the top end market of robots. They're all one of ones, right? So they're all assembled by hand. So quality built, for me is really important. So that's one of the reasons why I'm with Robotics Design, and why I am also a buyer for them, meaning that I have a robot that they made as well, which is the Air². So this is really their top end. So Charles, the CEO out of Robotics Design, was kind enough to show me this robot. This robot is going to be sent out after to a company called Dustbusters out here in Quebec. So as you can see, this robot, really incredible. The robot itself, I'm going to put the phone down. I want to show you the other accessories that we can put on it. Give me 1 second. Very quick and simple to take out. So you have different types of accessories you can put on this robot. Right now what I'm putting on is a rotative... Give me 1 second, guys. Right. So here's a robot with the rotative arm. You have to plug it to a compressor, which I'm not going to do today, but as you can see, you're plugging your brushes here from side to side and it will spin. You need a regulator for this arm. You need 100 psi. It can't go further, but 100 psi is way enough pressure for it to be spinning really quick. So let me just show you with this arm going. We'll fire up the... Yet again, moves super well. Right now we're on polished concrete, so that gives you a bit of an idea, right? Because it has really great traction with those belts. I'm gonna show you what's really special about this robot. Give me 1 second. I want to show you this here, which is really particular. So as you can see, I'm lifting right now the robot, okay? So let's say I'm just giving you an example. You're in a duct, there's debris or there's things that will be a challenge for the robot to go forward. You bring this arm down with any extension that's short, and it's able to move on kind of like a wheelie, you know? It's kind of doing a wheelie at the same time, and you're going to be able to go on top of different foreign objects that you're going to see in ducts. So again, you're going to see the arm move. I love that. That's great. You know, when you want to get that one spot inside a duct. So this is one of the only robots on the market that has an articulated arm right there with the different motor, so you can move it around. So as you can see, this is a robot again. Hi Jose. I do not personally manufacture the robot. I work closely with the president who does of the company who does those. It's important for you guys to know that Robotics Design does not just do duct cleaning robots. So the reason why I'm in the picture is I'm basically helping them in connecting us, the duct cleaning workers, and really doing the best robot that's out there for our needs, right? So we are currently working on a super cool project for residential robots. So it's going to be, thank you Jose, it's really appreciated. So we're going to be working on a smaller robot, very smaller, but a lot cheaper in price, and we're going to still keep that great build. So Jose, if you're interested, you could go a couple of weeks back. I did a live on another robot that I have here. That's the Ari-100. I'm not going to take it out because it takes some time, but Robotics Design has 3 different robots for us in the duct cleaning world. This is the high end. So as you can see, if you take off this camera up top and you stay with just a built-in camera, this robot could actually fit into really small ductwork for its size, right? So that's what I love about it, and everything is customizable. So let's say you have a certain thing that you want added to the robot. That's what's great about Robotics Design. They're built one of one. So for say, let's say you call Charles, because when you call the company, you're going to talk directly to the president. You ask him, listen, I want this. Everything is customizable. So that's what's really great about it. And he does robots for Hydro-Quebec here, which is probably one of the biggest hydroelectricity company in the world. So he's really right up there where there's knowledge on robots and things like that. So here's the robot, guys, again, as you can see. Here you have the built-in wiring to your control station. There's about 175 feet right now, which is way enough to work in any kinds of ducts in any kind of industry. The air goes through it as well. It's calibrated to go up to 250 PSI, which is great. So you guys can use those big compressors, Cast Air, Champion, Quincy. So all here, as you can see, very intuitive. You have all the controls here. What I love also here is you have an on-off air jet pulse. So it's going to feed the air here instead of being continuous. When I put it here, you put it off, and the jet pulse here really gives you just a bit of air, right? So that's what I love about it. You have the dimmers for the light, speed. Very important here. This all the engine part for the arm. So it sits all as is here with everything. It fits in one case, so that's what I love about it. So you come on the jobs, they're all in Pelican case, of course. When you order this robot, it comes with a Microsoft Surface Pro tablet. It can work with Apple products, but the only issue is this system that they're using, which is Elgato Video. It cannot be full screen with Apple products. So this is why Charles is always going to tell you to go with the Microsoft Surface Pro, or obviously any Windows laptop. So just want to show you here this quick from one camera to another. So this is the built-in camera right under the arm. And this is the 360 camera like I showed you earlier. So look how great it works. So we're spinning the camera right now. That's me right here. So it's really a 360 angle, which is great. And look how quick it is. I mean, this robot is just unbelievable. To be honest, I've seen a lot of robots out there, but this is clearly one of the most advanced one. Obviously, it comes with the price tag, but if you're like me, I like to purchase something that's durable and that's quality, and those robots go up to 15 years of usage. And I love the service that are off. The cable and the hose can be put in a reel. Jose, yes. So as you can see, this is resistant, right? So you can put it in the reel. Personally speaking, I don't really recommend it because it's just usually reels are heavy. That cable is already pretty heavy itself, right? So, but yes, they can. Jose, if you have any other specific question, because this video is going to end very soon, I'll send you a message so we can talk. So this is the robot again. All the different components. Robot fits here. It's in a Pelican case, which is great. So it's very protected. If you want to see the robot up close, great dimensions for working in ducts. I just want to show you the arm extension. Give me 1 second. So look at that. You can really go work in those big ducts. And then again, you can move the arm as you want. Look how well it's moving. I'm at 50% speed right now, so this is why I like to work I don't like going more than twice around with the robot when I'm working in the duct, so this is why I'm using a slow speed. But you have the dimmer here for speed. I'm right a bit over the 50% mark, so yeah. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. I'm really happy that a lot of people got to see this. You know, I'm doing this for free to help the company, but also to help you guys to see what's out there, because there's not a lot of knowledge out there for what kind of robots are on the market. When I shopped around for a robot, It was very hard for me to find something because not a lot of people post videos like this, and companies sometimes do more than just duct cleaning robots, so it's not going to be, let's say, their bestseller and things like that. And you're going to see more and more now in our workplace where contractors are asking the duct cleaners to have robots for not only just a visual feed, but also because you can record with this robot in 1080p, but also for the security of your workers to not send any technicians in an enclosed space. So this is why I myself purchased one as well. So this is it. So I want to thank you guys again for watching. If ever you have any questions, Jose, feel free to send me a quick direct message on Facebook. Thank you so much, you guys. Have a great day. Bye.